Okay. So basically we discussed what are points and all that.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Just a minute. We have written all the notes, right? Or we have to write it
Ma'am, what notes?
for this chapter?
Ma'am, we didn't write anything.
Okay, so then do it now. Okay. Let's just get started. Okay. Introduction to basic geometric ideas. The term geometry is derived from a Greek word geometron, right? It has two equivalent, geo and metron. So geo is the earth and metron is the measurement. So whatever is there is on the earth, how will you measure it? That is called geometry. Okay. So
Yes.
first thing is point. So it's a position or a location on a place surface which are denoted by a single capital letter. So over here, if this is, you will say A. This is, you will say B. Like this.
Ma'am, I think we already wrote this.
But I think Halima was not there because she is not aware of this.
Ma'am, I have everything written down in my notebook.
Yes, so you can just recap it. Only Halima will write.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
It will be a revision for you. Okay. So line segment is this one. It's a line in which with the finite length and two ends points. So line segment is the finite line. Like you have to define like from this to this you will move. That is the line segment. Okay. And line segment always you represent it like this.
Yeah.
To put a bar here. Then line, it is infinitely many points with infinite length. There is no end point. No starting point, no end point. Here you go. So
Yeah.
over here, this one you can see. Okay. This one, how would you write it? Like this. Okay, both the direction.
Yeah.
Fine. Intersecting line, the two lines that have a common point. Okay, intersecting line. This shared point is called the point of intersection. Okay, so two
Yeah.
lines which share something common, that is the intersecting line. Okay, these are some examples. Now parallel lines, the two or more lines which never intersect. They never cross each other. They are parallel lines. Right? For example, I said
Yeah.
this. So you tell me, are they parallel lines?
No.
No, because if you will extend it, somewhere they'll cross each other. So they are not.
Yeah.
If I draw this, then it is. Right? They are going parallel to each other. Like the railway tracks, the racing tracks, the pianos and all that. And ray has the starting point, but there is no end point. Clear?
Yeah.
So from the sun, it is starting, but there is no end point.
Yes.
Here. Okay, so you'll quickly write it down till here and then we will do the curves. Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, I have to write the introduction also.
Yes, this one.
Okay.
And for one definition for everyone.
Ma'am, can you scroll down? Ma'am, for the line, do they have any starting point?
No.
Okay. Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down? Ma'am, you can scroll down. Ma'am, I'm done with this. Ma'am, you can scroll down.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my maths exam is on Tuesday. Ma'am, I have like a few doubts. Can we clear it in class?
Okay, Halima, whatever doubts you have now, I'll just arrange one class for you tomorrow. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm Hannah.
Sorry, Hannah, tomorrow I'll just arrange one class for you. Are you available 6:30 IST?
6:30. Yes, ma'am.
IST,
Ma'am, IST as in
Indian Standard Time, like according to Indian time.
6:30. No, ma'am, let me just check with my parents 1 minute.
Yes, just let me know because because I am only available at 6:30 tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then day after tomorrow I'm available at 7:30 IST. So I can arrange. If you are available tomorrow, then I can arrange it tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then day after tomorrow. Okay. Just ask and let me know. 6:30 or 7:30.
Ma'am, I'm done with the day.
Okay, done. Okay, now coming to the
Yes.
next one, the curves. First, the simple curve does not cross itself. Then the open curve which has endpoints, which endpoint doesn't meet.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm free that time.
Okay, so what time you are available? Tomorrow at 6:30 works for you?
Yes, ma'am, 6:30 IST work.
Okay. Then closed curves do not have the endpoint or in the enclosed. This one. They don't have end, it is
Ma'am,
basically closed.
ma'am, closed curve, they have a starting point, but they don't have an end point, right?
And in the curve, there is no point of starting and end point basically.
Closed curve.
Closest, you can start it from anywhere. There is no particular start point. You
Okay.
can start it from anywhere, but there is no end point. You will just come to the starting point only. Okay, from where you started, you will come to that only.
Okay.
And this one, closed curve has a three part as follows. So one is this, and one is the interior, this one, and one is the exterior. Interior, exterior, and the boundary. So over here, you can
Yeah.
see the inside one, the referred, you can just shade it and you can write the shaded part is basically the inside one, the interior. And the outside one is basically the exterior point, like you can say point A. And the
Yeah.
black, the boundary with the black is basically the region, right? That is the boundary,
The boundary.
the boundary of the curve. Okay, quickly write it.
Yeah. Ma'am, curve like a circle is not a polygon, right?
No,
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down? Ma'am, can you just go to the interior? Ma'am, I'm done with all of this.
Okay, now coming to the next one, polygon. So what is a polygon? It's a 2D shape, a closed shape made up of line segment or the straight lines. Okay, so you can see this one. So in a polygon, you would have the sides. It refers to the line segment which forms the polygon. So over here, you can see this AB, BC, CD, they are all sides. Vertex are the points where two line segments meet. For example, A, B, C, D, they are the vertices. And adjacent side is
Yeah.
if two sides share a common endpoint, then they are the adjacent. Like AB and BC, they have something common like that. Adjacent vertex is the endpoint are same. As in the above, A and B and C and D, like that. And the diagonals, it refers to the join of vertex which are not adjacent to each other. So yes.
I did not understand the adjacent vertices. Ma'am, they are saying that it refers to the endpoint of the same side of the polygon. As in the above figure, it says A, B, B, C. I mean A and B, B and C. Ma'am, what does it refer to?
Sorry, I didn't get your point.
Ma'am, in the adjacent vertices, they are saying that it refers to the endpoint of the same side of this polygon. Like in the above figure, it is saying that A and B, B and C. Ma'am, what does it refers
They
to?
are
Like
side, adjacent side. Like for example, this one. AB and then BC is coming. then CD
Yeah.
is coming like that. But in adjacent vertex, it will be like A, then it can be B, C, and D like this. Or it can be A, D, C, B like this. Okay?
Ma'am, can it be like A and C?
No. After A, will D come or B come? C cannot come directly after A, na? Either you will move from here or you will move from here directly. How will you reach here? Clear? So
Okay.
adjacent means one after another. So can you reach C without going through B and D? Either you will choose
No.
the B way or you will choose the D way, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. And then diagonals are
Yes.
like from one vertex to another. So for example, this, they are the diagonals. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I sent you something in the chat, ma'am. I do not understand. Can you please explain?
Just a minute. Okay, so over here, pages per copy is 12 and the copies printed is 11,980, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if in one copy you have 12 pages, so in 11,980 copies, how many pages would you have be? So multiply it, you will get the answer, right? Then
Yes, ma'am.
they are
Ma'am,
asking
so
you
for
monthly.
every month,
Yes, so
ma'am,
you will
we have to
multiply
get
it with
the,
30.
ma'am, so like the product that you get of those
Mhm.
two, that
Multiplied
into
with
30
30.
will give you the
Yes,
every month.
yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am, in the third one, adjacent side means like A, B, C, and D, right?
Yes, AB. Then after AB, what can come? Either AD will come or BC will come,
Yeah.
right?
Ma'am, can you just go down? Ma'am, in the diagonal, I did not understand.
Diagonals are nothing. From one vertex to another vertex, you have to join the lines. They are diagonal.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm done with the diagrams.
Okay, now coming to the next one, angles. So how angles are formed? A figure formed of two rays which share a common endpoint is called angles. So these one you can see, they are the arms or the sides, and this
Yeah,
point is basically the vertex. So over here, this
vertex.
one is inside one. The angles are boundaries and the exterior is outside. Now, how do we write the name of the angle? So for example, this one you can write it ABC or you write it CBA. Both are the same thing. Clear?
Yes.
For example, this one, there is
Ma'am,
nothing
but
given.
we cannot say that BCA. It
No,
cannot be
no,
like.
no. Either you will start from here or here. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming to the next one. Here you can say nothing is given. So you will say this is angle D.
Okay.
Clear? Write it down quickly.
Ma'am, this angle is an acute angle, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you go down? I'm done with the interior. Ma'am, exterior, it refers to the outside. Ma'am, what is the exterior in the image?
Sorry.
Ma'am, in the third one, it is exterior that it refers to the outside or outer area. Ma'am, in the image, what is the exterior?
You can see the blue point.
Oh yeah,
That's here you can see the red point.
that is the boundary,
Yes.
right? Okay. Ma'am, I'm Ma'am, can you scroll down to the example? Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. Now coming to the next one, first polygon is triangle. So it has three sides. It is also the polygon with the least number of sides. If in one marker they ask you name the polygon with the least number of sides, so it is triangle. Over here,
Yeah.
vertex are this, sides are this, angles are this. In paper, they'll give you a figure. They'll ask what are vertex, what are sides, what are angle. Here you go. Interior, exterior, everything is given. Then three side we are done. Four side is quadrilateral. Vertex, sides, angles, opposite sides, opposite angles, adjacent angle. Okay. Then
Yeah.
circle. It is the simplest closed curve and is not considered as a polygon. Very important. Polygons are always made up of line segment, right? But it has
Yeah.
not made up of line segment, so it is not a polygon. So this one, circumference, a boundary, diameter is this, radius is this. So radius is a straight line connecting the center of the circle to the boundary. But diameter is a straight line basically connecting one side of a circle passing through the center to the another side. Circumference, boundary, chord, any line segment that connect the 2 points, one from one part to another, but it is not passing through the
Boundary.
yes. Then arc,
Ma'am, it is passing from the boundary, right?
it is not passing out of the boundary.
Oh, okay.
It is with the one from one boundary to the another boundary. And the longest
Okay.
one is the diameter. Okay, because it also passes from this to this. The longest one is the diameter. Arc is the portion
Yeah.
of boundary. You can see A to C. This is the arc. Interior of the circle inside, exterior of the circle outside. Sector,
Yeah.
you can see this one. The region in the interior of the circle enclosed by an arc. Arc always make a segment. Chord always make a segment. See, arc
Okay.
will make a sector. Chord will make a segment. Clear?
Ma'am, sector is like what?
Sorry?
Sector is like right angle.
No. Sector is basically an arc will make a sector. A chord will make a
Oh,
segment like this.
okay.
And then semicircle, when you do half of the circle into two, a diameter divides a circle into two semicircles. Clear?
Yeah. So the half of a circle is a semicircle.
Yes. And who divides it? Diameter.
Diameter. Ma'am, a triangle does not have vertex.
Sorry,
A triangle does not have a vertex.
you can't see this. A, C, B, they are the vertex only.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, you can go down. Ma'am, I am done with that. Ma'am, quadrilateral can also be like this, right? Um,
Sorry.
qu- Quadrilateral can also be like this.
Yes. Any four sides.
This, ma'am. So this is the quadrilateral.
Yes, this is the quadrilateral, but we have a different name according to the shape.
No, okay.
The one which I draw is a simple quadrilateral, but over here in the quadrilateral, it's a rectangle, it's a square, it's a trapezium, it's a rhombus. So many things are there. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, there are also types of quadrilaterals.
Yes. But that's not in part of your syllabus. We will be doing when you go in the 7th class.
Yeah. Mm. Sides A, B, C, C, D, and E. Ma'am, in the exam, they will also ask what are the angles of quadrilateral?
Maybe they can ask. They can give you anyone like PQR. So it's not always ABCD.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, there's this question. A quadrilateral is a polygon formed by dashed line segments. Four, right?
Yes. If I'll ask you, a triangle is a polygon formed by dashed lines, what you will say?
Three.
3. Ma'am, I did not understood the opposite angles.
Opposite is what? If D, then this B is opposite to D. If A, then it is opposite to C. Opposite.
Ma'am, can it be like a D and A?
No, they are on the same side. How they can be
Uh,
opposite?
Ma'am, there are no adjacent sides of the quadrilateral.
There can be. They have written adjacent side also.
No, they are only written adjacent
Yeah, over
angle.
here. Yeah, sides and
Ma'am,
adjacent sides are the same.
ma'am, can
Huh?
I just send you like a picture of my worksheet so you can see, like, check whether it's correct?
Yes, just share it. I have another class after this, so after the class only I can check.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, circumference is the boundary of the circle.
Yes.
Ma'am, you can scroll a bit down. Ma'am, I'm done.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have another doubt. Ma'am, the length, breadth, and width of a room are 80 meters, 85 meters, and 90 meters, respectively. Find the length of the largest tape that can measure the three dimensions of the room exactly.
Can you type the question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should I send a photo?
I won't be able to open it, I guess.
Uh,
If you can type it good enough, others share me the photo on WhatsApp itself.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done with the chord. Ma'am, can you like just go up a bit for 1 minute? I just need to write some. Wait. Ma'am, you can go.
Ma'am, I send the picture. Ma'am, in that picture, I have a doubt in the 19th question.
Okay, okay, I'll check it once I get it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in one of the questions. Can I like just send it to you?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Ma'am, I have sent it to you in the WhatsApp.
Okay. So that's it for today, students. We'll meet in the next class and we'll continue. Okay. Bye bye.
Ma'am, can you like this show that one? Can I like just take a screenshot of it?
Okay.
Uh, Ma'am, exterior. Wait, yeah. No, not that one. Sector. Sorry.